this course, I will show you how to work with fixed asset management in Dynamics 365 Business Central. But to have a successful course, let's first explore some general information about Business Central and the version that I'm using. As you can see here, I'm using Cronus USA as my company. But if you are using some local Cronus companies or your local companies, you will see that you have your own or local chart of account. And this is not a problem. In my examples, I will do all the setup with Cronus USA chart of accounts, but for you, it is not a problem to create your chart of account and new main accounts and to adjust your setup to your local use. Let's now see a little bit of the settings that I'm going to use. So if I go to settings, my settings, you can notice that I will stick with demo date that I have with Cronus USA. And also you can see that I'm using Business Manager Role Center. And again, as well, this is not a problem. You can use one of role centers that you have available on your environment. But for my purpose, I'm going to stick to Business Manager Role Center. Okay. If we will not be able to find some functionalities on my role center, I'm going to use Tell Me to search for various modules and various pages, reports inside the Business Central. Also, from time to time, I will go to Explore All to see all the features of Business Manager role centers. But if this is not enough, then I will click on Explore More Roles. And then under the Finance role, you will see that we have Fixed Asset module. And within the Fixed Asset, we can see that we have a lot of functionalities and pages and reports that we can use. Also, on my Explore All screen, I can click on Reports Analysis, Fixed Assets, and then see some of the fixed asset reports that are available inside the Fixed Asset module. Let's now go back and let's start with our course about fixed asset management inside the Business Central.